That one is mine. I get the big plate. OOTD natin. Thank you, babe. You don't have to do that.
Yes, sir. It's your body.
There's no hockey without ice.
Like it.
No ice without water.
Like it.
No water.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Noy and my husband is Cory. So today is May 26, 2025. Happy Memorial Day everyone! So we are heading to Dick's Sporting Goods. We're gonna look at some Stanley Cups over there. Samahan nyo kami guys mag-shopping, and by the way, kung bago ka pa dito sa aming channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aming mga upload. And we wish you all a wonderful Memorial Day sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Amerika. Bago pala tayo mag-shopping sa Dick's Sporting Goods, daan muna tayo dito para mag-lunch sa Panda Express. So, ito na yung ating order.
Huh?
That's yours. Big, don't do that.
That's mine.
This is yours. That one is mine. I get the big plate. Oh. We are in Panda Express. You got the bigger plate, right?
Yeah. Got it.
That's good. More on meat. Guys, take home ko to. Are we going?
We are going to Dick's Sporting Goods.
Tied my hair, guys. We are in the Dick's,
We are at the Dick's Sporting Goods.
at the Dick's parking lot, and the DSW is there too.
Yeah, I know what Wifey's gonna do.
We're gonna do something. We're gonna look around.
Wifey's
Okay,
gonna put
guys.
shoes.
It's a nice day. Memorial Day.
Happy Memorial Day, everybody.
Let's go, guys. this store.
Yeah.
So I came out with my Stanley Cup. Thank you, my
You're
love.
welcome, my baby. You
I love
deserve it.
it. I got a 30 ounce.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
Guess you-
have a lot of choices. Huh?
Yeah, they do.
You
They had
wanna-
a blue one, a yellow one,
Yeah,
a black one,
sky blue.
sky blue. I liked it.
I like the black with the rainbow one too.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you, Bev.
You're
You don't
welcome.
have to do that.
Yes, I do. It's your birthday year.
Nope. Your birthday coming up, not mine. Ayan, dito pa kami sa parking lot ng Target, guys. Ayan, bumili kami ng mga wala sa bahay. Konti lang naman, tatlong items. Bili sana kami ng ham kasi wala silang ham doon. Si Mr. Ganda dito. Ganda ng weather. Oh, look at, there's a bird. OOTD natin. Uwi na kami, guys. Ang init. So, uuwi na tayo. Mag-cherry picking sana kami, but what do you think, babe? It's hot, huh?
It's hot
It's too
and
hot.
we got something to do at
And
6.
nanonood kami ng Lilo and Stitch at around 6:30. Maaga pa naman, pero kaso lang parang alanganin na siguro, guys, pag mag-cherry picking pa kami. Baka mahaba yung pila kasi nga holiday, Memorial Day. So kung pupunta kami ng cherry picking, maybe the line over there for parking and stuff like that, it's long, because it's holiday. So uwi na lang kami, and then mamaya manood kami ng Lilo and Stitch. We just got home, guys. And nabili namin sa Target is, what did we get in Target? Water,
Water, paper,
paper, toilet paper, at saka yung work shirt, polo shirt ni Mr. Ayan. So, yan lang naman yung sadya namin doon. And then, ito yung Stanley Cup ko na nabili namin sa Dick's Sporting Goods. Ano siya? Flow State Quencher Tumbler, 30 ounce. Ayan, 0.88 liter. How much did you pay for this? And my husband paid for it. And yung binayaran niya total is $39.19. Grabe, ang mahal ng cup na to pag mga 2,000 sa pera natin. Stanley! I love it. So, ngayon, tatlo na yung Stanley ko, guys. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na yung hawakan niya is dito, ganyan. Tapos yung straw niya is yung natatago siya, natitiklop, ganyan. Ito yung dinadala ko sa preschool. Same sila, ano siya, 30 ounce. Parang light pink siya, and then ito naman is lilac. Ayan, yan yung ano niya. Tapos ito naman yung binili ni Mr. na Wicked Stanley Cup. Ilang ounce ba to? I don't know. How many ounce is this, my love? 20?
Yeah, I think 20.
I think 20. Ganyan. Wala siyang hawakan, guys. Ganito lang. Limited edition to siya na Wicked. Ayan, sparkly din siya. So, meron na tayong tatlong Stanley Cup. And then later on, I'm gonna decorate it with the accessories that my husband bought it for me. Sisi. Say hi, Sisi. Oh, tummy, big tummy mush. Huh? He said, Na yung Stanley Cup natin na nabili sa Dick's Sporting Goods, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung binili ni Mr. sa Amazon na accessories. So, gamitin natin ito, guys. Ito yung mga pakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya pag natapos ko na ano. Tapos may mga stickers din siya na ganito. Pwede mo i-ticket dyan. Basically, itong silicone na to is ganyan mo siya. Ayan. Pero tatanggalin natin to. Protector. So, may key holder din. Parang ganyan. Parang key. Parang ilalagay mo yan siya dito, guys. O, sa hawakan. Bling bling. At stickers. Meron siyang straw covers. Ayan. I will show you later, guys, pag natapos ko na ilagay. So, ito na yung kinalabasan ng ating Stanley Cup. Diba? Super cute. May berluloy siya. Initial. Then, meron pang ganyan. At yung silicone. Ano niya. Yung sa para hindi magasgasan yung bottom ng cup natin. Ganda. Super cute. Tapos yung iba na natira, hindi ko na gagamitin, guys, kasi napaka-over na pag itikit ko lahat to. So, save ko na lang sa isang tumbler ko na purple. Cool.
A few inches later.
We're gonna go to see Lilo and Stitch. And I'm wearing my Stitch tie-dye t-shirt.
Yeah, movie day tonight.
We are here, guys, sa parking lot ng Cinelux Theaters. Yung ticket namin is 6:30.
Yeah, 6:30.
Right now is 5:48.
5:48.
Yeah, so papasok kami, guys, mga 6 siguro. Para do you want some popcorn?
Yeah, popcorn again. Let's get party popcorn and maybe a drink.
Mag-alas 6 na, guys, sobrang init pa. Yung sunset, the sunset is like 8 something na.
Yeah.
So
Well, it's getting a little bit, it's getting dark or late now, so.
Pa-summer na kasi.
The longest day of the year over here is in June.
Ayan, naka-stitch tayo. Where's your Stitch?
I don't have a stitch.
Lilo and Stitch.
I got stitches though. Not stitch.
Oh yeah, you have stitches, huh? Your tummy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll see later. Balitaan namin kayo.
You're number 6 for guys? Starting at 6:30.
Dito na kami. Na kami sa sinihan, walang katao-tao. Kasi, what time is it? It's 6:08 pa lang, guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Walang tao. Ayan na.
Adventure from the new film Disney and Pixar's Elio.
Then small drink. And we got the recliners.
Think you've got what it takes for space travel? Prove it! Trivia for Disney and Pixar's Elio starts now.
We got our recliners, guys.
There's no hockey without ice.
You like
There's
it?
no ice without water.
You like it?
No water.
Yeah.
na guys. It's already 8. It's gonna be 8:30 but tingnan nyo. Liwanag pa. Did you like it?
I loved it.
I loved it too. Good night, sisters. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The actors were great in the movie.
Mm-hmm.
The little girl that played Lilo, she was exactly
She's
like
really
the
smart,
cartoon.
huh?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And she looked exactly like the cartoon.
The cartoon, huh?
Yeah.
Stitch is so cute. Alright, let's go home guys. Gonna be 8:30 pero maliwanag pa guys. Ayan.
Time to go home.
Uwi na tayo. May work pa bukas.
I'm off tomorrow.
Si Mr. ay may day off niya tomorrow. Until tomorrow. Today and tomorrow. So ako may work